Here is how you can enable microphone on Discord for your iPad. Let me show you exactly where you can find it and how it works. Let's get started. Subscribe if you're new here, by the way, and let's get into it. You just go to your main settings app, and at the bottom fully and entirely, we can find the apps section for all of the installed apps and managing the settings for those. It's all sorted alphabetically, so just go through it, find the Discord like that, and you can see all of the settings for Discord specifically. And I can see microphone toggle being there and at the top of the list, and I can decide if it's enabled or disabled. And that is the crucial part. I have to just make sure that the toggle is green next to the microphone, and then it's just gonna allow me to use it inside of the app. So it's really that simple. If you do not see the microphone toggle in here for your Discord app, you at first have to kind of like trigger the use case for it. So if I just use my Discord and never get to a place or a chance to use the mic, then the app doesn't even ask me for the first time, and then it's not going to be part of this settings menu. So if you don't see microphone in this settings page, just go back to Discord, try to use the mic within the app, and you are going to get a pop-up asking you if you allow it or not. Doesn't matter what you choose. Obviously, you can pick allow or not allow, but then you will be able to change it in the settings as it's going to appear right here in this list. So that's generally how it works. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. If you have some more thoughts about this, let me know below, but just hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.